Simple science. What is sound? Sounds are produced when objects vibrate. We hear those sounds because the vibrations travel through the air, hitting our eardrums and making them vibrate. If you place some rice on a drum skin and hit the drum, you can see the rice jump up and down as the drum skin vibrates. Similarly, if you make a sound by plucking a taut piece of string or elastic band, you can see it move rapidly back and forth as it vibrates. The sound waves produced by vibrating objects can be transmitted not only through air, but also through water and solids such as brick, glass and metal. That is why submarines can use sonar to navigate underwater. And why you can hear sounds coming from outside a house or car when you are inside. Some materials, such as cotton wool, can be used to muffle sound. By covering an object, such as a ticking clock, with a container lined with different thicknesses of cotton wool, you can test to see how much is required to completely muffle the sound. The volume of a sound can be loud or soft, depending on how much energy it has. Hitting a drum with a lot of energy makes a louder sound, and hitting it gently makes a softer sound. Volume or loudness is different to pitch, which is how high or low the sound is. If you hit a small drum, it will make a sound or note that is higher in pitch than a big drum. In general, the bigger the vibrating object, the lower or deeper the note it produces. You can test this out with bottles filled with different amounts of water. Blowing across the top of a bottle makes the column of air inside the bottle vibrate, producing a sound. A bottle filled with more water has a shorter column of air, so it produces a high note. And a bottle containing less water produces a lower note because the column of air is longer. With stringed instruments, it is the same. Plucking a short string produces a high note, and plucking a long string produces a low note. Also, plucking a tight string produces a high note, and plucking a loose string produces a low note.